Residents of Tivim staged a peaceful protest at the World Peace University site in Khargai, raising concerns over alleged hill cutting and large-scale construction activities in the area. Locals, including members of the tribal community, expressed fear over possible environmental damage and the impact on the region's fragile ecosystem.
With the same project for them?
The protesters demanded greater transparency in the land lease process and called on authorities to clarify the approvals granted for the project. Community leaders who were present at the site urged immediate action to safeguard the natural landscape and ensure that the development does not harm the environment.
तुम्ही पळयतात गोंयकारपण, गोंयकारांचो गोंयकारा खातीर.